assassinate JFK. Well, see, you now have our next candidate there, the fascist Donald Trump. Somebody tried to assassinate him already, and it didn't happen. So the CIA, who control them thing there. It's not any member of the public who control them thing there. So I don't know what to do with him. I don't know if we get rid of Donald Trump. He's the one who's risking World War III. Donald Trump is risking World War III, not President Zelensky. Well, that's the ferry there. That ferry there looks like it's about to go. So this is the Thames River, people. This is the Thames River. As you can see, it's a wide section of the Thames River. And that's the ferry. Donald Trump and him henchman, him bunch of fascists. Even the blouse and skirt member of the press attacking the man. I tell the man saying for wear suit. The man country in a turmoil, war fight. And I tell the man how to dress. You can't tell people how to dress. You think is the leader of the democratic world. So I don't have a problem with how him dress. Eh? It is democracy. The man have a choice. He dress like how he wants to dress. Not just to please, and please the public. The man dress how him dress because him is in a position where him country is in a war. And him wear war attire because what? Him himself can go in a battle anytime. Which part him there? Know it? Two Ferry. Ben Walcott and that our Dame Vera Lynn. Two ferries going out. My people, I'm telling you, Donald Trump, and then him turn around yesterday and say it is good for TV. Like him, I say it's good for TV. So the humiliation and the bullying on TV. You understand? Him say the world must love it. Must love it. Zelensky, one thing I can tell you, don't apologize. Them say you disrespect America. America ain't the almighty God. Whether you disrespect them or not, and I don't see you disrespect them because I watch it. Them disrespect you, even that vice president, what them call Vance or Vince. He's a fascist too. All of them are there. Are some mini-me of Hitler them. All of them, they are today's Hitlers. Ferry are back up. This one, the one that come out, this one is going in. The Hoover boat driver, them not easy. Just sail through. FBI, the CIA, and the Secret Service need to deal with Donald Trump case. Are responsible for him. You are the guys who are responsible for him. You understand? As a matter of fact, he's just treating you guys like crap. He's taking you, he's kicking you guys out of your job. Donald Trump is starting a civil war in America, and at the same time, he might perpetrate the same thing across Europe. The FBI and the CIA, me say, only need to deal with Donald Trump. Only need to deal with him case. Only need to take him out of office. Either any way on the can, only need to take him out of office. Vance, Vance not for being a not vice president or a president. Vance him for go at the bottom of the barrel too. He must go to the bottom of the barrel after I want to deal with Donald Trump. Because we don't want Vance to be no president of the United States. Jesus Christ. I tell you. The man humiliate the man so bad. I felt it for him, man. I felt it bad for the man yesterday. President Zelensky of Ukraine. Jesus Christ, them gang up. They all gang up on him, and it's all because of the past situation with him and Joe Biden and Joe Biden's son. It's that where he asked President Zelensky to do something for get evidence up against Joe Biden and stuff like that. And the man say, yo, I'm not interested in American politics and tit for tat with each other. He didn't join it. The role that Biden and Trump had throughout Biden presidency. He wouldn't help Trump against Biden. And that is why Trump don't like him. Trump a carry a belly for the man from them time there. Donald Trump, America's first felony convicted president. Man have so much felony conviction and them still have him in the office. And no, the one of them are sorry. No, the entire American population that voted for him is sorry they did it. Them sorry, them do it. Because he's even laying into them, the people that will vote for him, who he might treat them like rubbish. Him pack up the wall of them and throw them in a dumpster, because it is all about him. It is all about him and his revenge. His revenge on the American people for the election where him lost against Joe Biden. Well, we all know that, politicians, they always come and tell us everything sweet. Them sweet in the pot and everything. You see when them win? When them win, they forgot and them retract everything what them said to Uno. Everything that they say, they backtrack. Look at these new flats going up. Brand new flats going up. Huh? Brand new flats. So a lot of work is here. These are not prefab. These are being built. These are not prefab like some ones that I show you guys. These are being built. They are not prefab flats. Yes, Trump and him bunch of goon them lay into Mr. Zelensky, President Zelensky yesterday, and only the European them must stand up just like they are, they say, Yesterday, the new chancellor in Germany, or when the election last week, he said it, don't he? He said America is not interested in Europe. We here in Europe must not wait for America defense. England is a nuclear power country, so why are we talking about paying America for defense? Why we want to pay America for defense, for protection. Why should we pay America protection money? England can protect themselves. You understand? England can protect themselves. Why do we want America to protect England? England is a nuclear powered country. We don't need America. You understand? A couple nuclear bomb